Alright. Live. And yep, we're on. So the thing with the YouTube is that it takes about fucking 20 seconds to show you that it's live. Alright, we're on. So I'll stay true to the title and show you what is obvious about the Bitcoin price very fast, just to give you an update technically, because it's just simply a downtrend. All right, so looking at this is the Bitcoin chart. One candle equals 1 day. Look at this, right? One candle equals 1 day. One candle equals 1 day. Bitcoin price is severely downtrending. We know that it's been downtrending since October the 5th. When it trends, prices trend. You can zoom in, we can get a bit more candles out of it by going into the 12-hour chart. You'll see things like this, right? So you start lining things up, you get the channels, start moving them like this. You start looking for multiple pivot points. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, a bit of a support there, a rest. Then you click on this channel and simply call it a trend phase 1. When this goes past the trend phase 1, breaks into a trend phase 2, you can see here it'll fit something like this. Very, very simply. The final phase of a trend is trend phase 3, where you can see that the vertical nature of the trend gets extremely parabolic. That is where we are right now. When it comes to an end of a trend, what's going to happen is, after trend phase 3, is it's going to try and put a bounce and start a fresh move, which is going to be a range. So my most likely probability is that from here, after this trend phase 3 is finished, potentially a little bit lower into the 80s, it's going to try and put a range in for a bottom, and then from there step up and into a reversal to either a macro lower high or onwards with the bull market, or its full bear market destruction. But a range is the start of a new move. That is what's obvious with Bitcoin. Ta-ta.